The eye thing is what got me.
Yeah, I mean, you look for that, and that's where he goes, and that was I keep looking down at him and looking at what he was saying.
You all seen it from here, I mean, because you could start for wherever you was looking at.
Yeah.
And then when you wasn't looking at thinking, well,
yeah, man.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Almost shuffle foot, you know?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, wow. I can't believe she's doing this. Wow, look at that. Look at you, Charlie. Wow.
That's good, Charlie.
Okay. Tell him whoa. Go back and say whoa.
Good job. Isn't he
Alright, stop going this way. Come to me. This hand's way over here. Your left hand. Right.
Good job.
Look at me. Look at Angie, Charlie. Look at Angie.
Here. Oh my goodness.
I mean, we're just amazed by the eyes because, you know,
body position is so important.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was what I had trouble with because I would be looking down at him or looking out when he was stepping in, like I wasn't thinking to look where I wanted him to go.
Yep.
That's just amazing.
He's just an awesome horse. Charlie's doing really well.
Yeah. I'm trying to hold the camera steady, but...
About something.
Alright, so Gary, you're whoa. Pull back. Whoa!
Good job, Charlie.
You gotta get your mom on.
Oh, gosh.
She's the one that won the
Yeah, I
ride.
know. That's why she's the one that got you the ride.
Oh, but I wanted to give my ride to the kids.
Well, your ride's yours.